Before we go further, we should know what a spring balance is, because it will be used to perform some activities based on friction. The spring balance is a device which is used for measuring force acting on an object. It contains a coiled spring which gets stretched when a force is applied to its free end, having a hook. The extent by which the spring gets stretched is a measure of force applied. Larger the stretching of spring, greater will be the magnitude of force applied. The stretching of spring is indicated by the pointer, and the reading corresponding to the pointer on the scale gives the magnitude of force. When the spring balance is held vertically, it is said to measure the weight of an object hung from its hook, because weight of an object is also a force. And when a spring balance is held horizontally attached to an object and pulled, it can be used to measure the force being applied to pull the object on a horizontal surface. Now tell me, can you measure friction? Yes, you can measure the force of friction with the help of a spring balance. Let us measure friction by doing a simple activity. Take a rectangular wooden block with a hook attached to one side on a wooden table having rough surface. Attach a spring balance to its hook and pull the spring balance in the horizontal direction. Pull the spring balance until the wooden block just starts to move. Note the reading on the spring balance at this particular point. This gives us the value of frictional force. By this method, we can find the force of friction for any object on any surface.